This video demonstrates how to install eSquare Studio and LLVM for RL78 Toolchain on macOS. The software used in this demonstration are listed in the table. eSquare Studio is supported on macOS Ventura 13 and later version. First, download the eSquare Studio. Please scan this QR code, or go to the download page from the Renesas website. Next, download the LLVM for Renesas RL78 macOS Toolchain. Please scan this QR code, or go to the download page from the website. Double-click the eSquare Studio installer to extract it. Drag the eSquare Studio application to the Applications folder, making it available in the macOS Launchpad. Open eSquare Studio from the Applications folder. When launching the installer, you may encounter an error message. This occurs because macOS blocks the execution of applications downloaded from the internet. This error can be solved by using the xattr command to mark the application as valid after extracting it from the archive file. Open the terminal. Enter terminal command xattr-d com.apple.quarantine. Then, drag the eSquare Studio application to the command. This gives the entire path of the eSquare Studio application. Press Enter. Once this terminal command is executed, you should be able to double-click on eSquare Studio application again and successfully start the application. Double-click the LLVM installer to extract it. Open the terminal. Change the attribute of the folder. Enter terminal command xattr-dr com.apple.quarantine, LLVM 17 RL78202406, macOS. Press Enter. Launch the eSquare Studio. Go to Help. Add Renesas Toolchains. Click Add. To add toolchain, click Browse to select the toolchain path. Select the toolchain folder. Click Open. Click OK once the toolchain is detected. Click Apply and Close to integrate it. LLVM for Renesas RL78 Toolchain is installed successfully. For more details, refer to the eSquare Studio information for RL78 Family.